Hello guys, welcome to my channels. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Java and install it in your PC. First of all, go to your web browser, then go to the search bar, type there Java JDK, go to the Oracle website. Here it is in the top. Okay, just click on that. Now it's been open. Click here Java SE 11.0.0 It is the latest version of the Java. Okay, just scroll down, accept license agreement, yeah, and go to the I'm going to download that exe file of for Windows. It's showing for Linux, Mac OS. Okay guys, I'm going to download for the Windows 64-bit. Okay, click on that. Just click on start download. I'm going to download it through the download manager, or you can just simply download it through the Google Chrome. Okay guys, it's being downloaded. Now I'm going to close this browsers and I'm going to download manager here. Here is the JDK file. Click on that, click on open button. Okay, okay, Java, yes, click on yes. Okay, it's been loading there. I'm going to minimize this icon. Okay, okay, it shows already shows. I'm going to install it again. Click on the next button. Okay, just click on next. Okay, click on the close or next step. It is for only for the documentations and guides, so click on the close button. Okay, just minimize the window, and that's all for today, guys. I'm gonna show you how to set part for the Java. Okay, I'm going to command prompt cmd. So guys, keep watching. I'm gonna show you how to set path for the Java in my next video tutorials. For for that, the video link will be in description. Check out there. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channels. Thank you.